stop flushing profits down the drain with common mistakes. There are 5 powerful ways to start increasing your profit margins today so you can pay yourself and your team and your family what you deserve. I'm Steve Dell, and this is The Profitable Contractor, where I share tools and tactics to help grow your contracting business. Number 1 on ways to increase your profit margins is look at what you actually need to make as a business. Are you charging accordingly? Are you making enough to cover your bills? Are you making enough to pay for your lifestyle? You got into this business because you wanted freedom. Now, you need to make sure that you're actually being profitable so you can enjoy that freedom. So you can enjoy your family, so you can enjoy the things in the future, because you don't want to become that guy or gal that is working into their 60s and 70s all broken down because you didn't understand what it takes to become a profitable contractor and to enjoy the life that you deserve right now. Number 2 is using your markup and margin correctly. When you're using your markup, you're going to want to make sure to factor things in like your cost of materials, your subcontractors, the labor, your insurance, and your bonding. All those are going to be a factor on how you're marking up your jobs. So you'll actually have money in the bid that will actually be able to provide you profit for your job so you can reinvest in your business and be able to pay yourself what you're worth. Number 3, stop making your clients' problems your problems. And if somebody cannot afford your services, then it's not your obligation to try to serve them to whatever their budget allows. So you can kindly say no and refer them to somebody else, but don't jeopardize your business, your family, your health, your profits in your business by trying to accommodate somebody that is not ideal for your business. Number 4 is specialize, specialize, specialize. And I've said it before, specializing will allow you to become more efficient in that service you're offering, which is you're gonna be more profitable. So I don't need to say it much more, but by specializing, you're gonna become more profitable because you're gonna become more efficient on the delivery of what you're serving to your clients. Number 5, starting with better clients. Better clients just make things more enjoyable. So why not start with better clients? Better clients understand your value. Better clients, they have no problem paying what you're worth. And better clients are just more pleasurable to work for. I talk about this extensively in my book, The Profitable Contractor. Now you can go download the first 3 chapters for free. It would be available in the link below, or you can find it over on Amazon. For more tools and tactics on how to grow your contracting business, make sure to click on the video to the right. I'm Steve Dell, The Profitable Contractor, and I will see you there.